Life.ATV, boys.
Code, what's up, buddy?
Look.
Oh my God, look what's out of the garage, guys.
She's out and ready to roll. We got battery in her.
Yep, and actually, Code's back to riding. His feet are good.
Yeah, I'm not cleared by the doctor yet, but
He can't like jump or go crazy.
I can't go too wicked, but I mean,
He can at least ride the trails and stuff like this.
I can shift now, I guess.
Yeah, he can shift.
But
Yep. We're down here at the cabin, and we're gonna get Code. Code's first ride on camera. His first ride
I
back.
haven't rode this puppy since October, so I'm pretty damn excited.
I know, I'm excited too. I'm gonna be kind of just following him on the Sportsman, getting some cool shots of him. We'll see you guys on the trails. So dude, how's it feeling?
Feels nice.
You were freaking ripping right there.
No, it's been so long, dude. I actually got a little bit of freaking arm pump.
A little bit of arm pump. As you know, Cody's quad actually sits so low to the ground that I think he feels it the most when we go on like trips and stuff.
Especially when we go to Wisconsin.
Wisconsin, yeah.
Washouts.
Yeah, exactly.
Pretty
But yeah, man, that's good. She's ripping good.
Yeah, she's running good too.
That's
Happy
good
with
because in a month we got a trip.
We do. Hopefully she's still running good then.
All right, boys, we'll get a couple more clips. All right, Cody, I guess the camera boys got to hit the straightaway.
Oh yeah, Danny hasn't read her in a while either.
That was awesome, man.
Anything for the camera shot, right, dude?
You gotta take my picture when you're done.
Oh, dude, that looks. I hate heights. That looks super sketchy.
Feels sketchy. This thing's been up here for freaking years. Dude. Got a little goosebumps.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm all out of gas, boys.
He's out of gas. Well, that's when you know you've been ripping good, if you're out of gas, right?
He's out of gas.
Well, guys, with that being said,
I'm going to go to town and get some more.
yeah, I think we're going to wrap up today's video. Should maybe shoot some more later. But Kody was out there freaking ripping, man. Felt good, didn't it, buddy?
Felt amazing. It's good to be back, boys. Good to be back.
So, kind of missed my riding partner. So, hopefully vids will start coming out more frequently, guys.
For sure.
See you in the next one.